come on. Okay, I guess I can't. I guess I'm not gonna take pictures, you guys. You guys, if I could add 3 videos into one, I probably would do that. But I'm gonna see if I can do that. If not, you guys get 3 little videos. Whoa, you guys, look at those waves. Why are my lights still on? But like I said, guys, these are the types of videos, like, you know, because I know a lot of you guys, like a lot of people can't travel to California. And through my eyes, let's go over here. Through my eyes, I like to show you guys California ocean. You know, as you guys see all the pretty lights up there. So pretty. It's the moon. Yeah, that's the moon. So pretty. Hoping the sun comes out tomorrow because that'll be really pretty. And hoping the tide will be down tomorrow so I can go show you guys the caves before we head back home on Tuesday. So, it's kind of really cool to show you guys. There's some cars on the highway, not really that much. So we're gonna walk to the end of here on Christmas. You can't walk to the end of here because they have a big, giant Christmas tree in the middle. But now we can't because the Christmas tree's down. So that's kind of cool. So we're just gonna walk straight. But like I said, guys, please hit that subscribe button and join the Divas YouTube. It's really fun. You know, don't cost you anything to watch cool videos. You're still turning. I don't think I did that. Okay, but like, okay, I'm gonna turn you around this quick because I don't want to blind anybody. Okay, but like I said, guys, so, you know, I mean, California's beach, I think the California, oh, whoa, look at these big old waves. Guys, look at these big old waves. Go in the corner so we can see one. Whoa, you guys, look, I'm trying to make it over here. Come right over here. Oh no, my light's gonna die. So I'm gonna let you guys look at the waves. But like I was saying, you know, it's like so, oh guys, look. Can you guys see the waves in the camera? Oh yeah, you guys can see it, okay. Whoa, these waves are huge. California is known for pretty big waves, but I don't know if they're the biggest. I wanna say Hawaii has pretty big waves. Look how the water just rolls over. I love how the water just rolls over, you guys. Yeah, this is something like really cool. Like I said, I just love how the water just rumbles. Whoa, that's a wave after wave. Whoa, yeah, it's moving the pier. Okay, guys, I'm gonna hold my camera straight as I can. I am not moving my camera, and you guys can feel the waves hitting the pier. See? Now look at the water, guys. Look how calm. Look how pretty the water is. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna turn you off for a few minutes. I'm gonna turn off. Bring it back on. Okay. What the hell was that? the waters make a clapping sound. Okay guys, so we're gonna go pull the camera like this. We're gonna walk over to the edge so you guys can see the pretties. But like I said, you know, these are the type of stuff I like to do. So I might go ahead and end my stream right here. Bye guys, I'm going to be live.